Good morning, Vietnam! Nah, fuck this shit. He's looking, and he doesn't find me. Still, finally. Oh, what's up, man? Welkom. Nog één keer. Lekker, man. Kom, we gaan.
So fine.
So I can learn how to love.
Welcome, guys, by my another vlog in Vietnam. We are back in Vietnam again, me and George. He will arrive shortly and I will pick him up in about 2 hours. Very curious what he will lose this time at the airport. This time our adventure will last for 22 days. We will start in Hanoi, where we stopped the last time. The journey will start tomorrow. This time we will exploring the north of Vietnam. I can guarantee you guys that the north is such a beautiful place to visit. We will also reaching the border of Vietnam and China. In Cao Bang district, there is a waterfall that split Vietnam and China, and that is the border. After that, we will take a tour around the Ha Giang Loop, one of the famous loop in the world. A lot of tourists coming there to ride the Ha Giang Loop. We will also take a visit in Sapa, Mộc Châu, Lai Châu, Phu Luông, Ninh Bình again, and we will end our journey in Hanoi. For now, let's pick George up at the airport. So for now we are at the airport waiting for Georgie. He will come soon in a few minutes. Oh shit, in Hanoi is different. I didn't know we can go inside. In Saigon we have to wait outside, but here it's inside and it's much better. We have some airco here. Nice. He's looking, and he doesn't find me. Still, finally. Oh, what's up, man? Welkom. Nog één keer. Lekker, man. Kom, we gaan.
So fine.
So, what did you lose this time?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nice, man.
Yeah, so.
So we walk in the street of Hanoi again and looking for some coffee first and then something to eat. So let's see what we can find. Onze George Canis.
Meisje, weet niet wat ze moet kijken. Is er weer, hoor. De eerste.
So, our first iced coffee together.
Definitely. Really nice. At an air-conditioned terrace.
Back in Vietnam, back to adventure. How's your ice?
Really good. Coconut ice cream. With avocado. In Hanoi. Wat een bakken.
Hier heb je zoveel meebakken. Yeah. We got a little bit hungry, so we stop here by to eat some bread with barbecue meat.
Nice.
So we are waiting for our bread. See how they do it. And George with those small fucking chairs. We just stopped by and buy some bread with barbecue meat, and this is how it looks like. Yo, how does it taste?
Oh man, terrific. The best ever.
It's good. So we're back on the road again, looking for another food.
Your food.
More food, more drinks.
Oh God, I love this life.
Don't be afraid to run over by car. They will avoid you. George has learned it, so now he's used to it. Huh?
Problem.
Heb je wensen?
Al mijn mensen worden vervuld. Sowieso al.
You have wishes?
A lot of them. But they're all coming true, one by one.
George doesn't need to offer something or anything because he's always lucky.
Always lucky. With everything. You know it's true.
Yeah, I know it's true, but this time we need to prove it again. So the sun is setting down, and look how beautiful it is. Without the music, it's so peaceful, you know. This is the second time that George tried to cross the road, but this time it's easy. There is no traffic. Bullshit. That's it. Nice to meet you. Good luck. Have fun. Ja, ga je weer? So guys, the evening has fallen and now we're looking for some dinner. We're sitting here waiting for our food.
Nice.
On the street again. We're gonna eat some beef. And this is how they do it. So they will burn this shit.
Okay.
And this is the butter.
Yeah.
And we will make the beef here. We'll grill it. Oh, okay. So this is the beef, and we will get the butter harder, and then we will pour it in, grill the beef, take some bread, some fat. Nice.
Nice.
How's the meat?
Really tender.
Tender, a little bit chewy, the white one.
Yeah.
That's some special parts of the cow, so that's why it's a little bit chewy. And the other one, it's good. It's quite. It's like beef, it's just normal beef. Chicken? Ja.
Alsof iemand weet veel. Waterbrand of zo. Ik weet niet wat het was. Overal midden op straat.
So I see people are dancing tango. So George,
Let's go! Let's tango!
that's your revenge of last time. You didn't want it.
I knew this was coming.
But this time you have to do it.
Tango is a flamingo.
Oh, the same shit, man.
Different place. Dit was slecht.
Is de Engelse bar? Hier heb je ook.
Ja, dit is het.
Pro-
Can I get this one? One please. Wat wil jij hebben?
Nah.
Oh, you're fast.
Georgie just had a ice cream, and this is how it look like.
Yogurt.
Yogurt with some
Black bubble tea.
black bubble tea.
Yeah.
Try it.
Oh,
It's good.
delicious.
Ja, die grote weg al. Rechts hè? Ja, ik zit achter je. Yo. Deze gaat rechts. Rechts. Yes, zit er goed. Woe! Woe!
Take me back down a cool water flow, y'all. Let me remember things I don't know. Stopping at the lower catfish back, walking along the railroad at night. Barefoot girls dancing in the moonlight.
So guys, welcome by days 2. We have arrived in Halong City. The Halong Bay is behind us, a few kilometers from here. For our first day of riding, it went perfectly. No strange things happens on our way here, no accidents, and everything went well. We suffer a little bit because of the heat. I guess now it is 40 degrees Celsius outside, so it's a little bit warm on the bike. And I have my motor jacket with me, but it's too hard to put it on, so I just let them there. And yeah, see my arm, you can see the difference. Get more sunburn a little bit, but it's okay. Tonight we will explore the city by bike, just riding around, drink some coffee, eat something nice, and tomorrow we will visit the famous Halong Bay by boat. And yeah, maybe today we're gonna do some crazy things like seeing the Halong Bay by airplane. But I'm not sure if we're gonna do that because it's a little bit expensive for our budget. We have a solid budget, so we cannot afford to do something very expensive. So maybe we will do it and maybe not, so we will see. But yeah, for now I will take a shower and take a nap because I'm totally done with this weather, and see you guys later. Oh yeah, but first I will let you guys see the room we ordered. It's 16 euro a night, so it's quite cheap for Ha Long Bay, and just 3-star, but it's look kind of good. I don't have much to complain. The bathroom looked clean and good also, so it was a good deal. Yeah, after our sleep, George was almost dead. I called him several times, but he didn't pick up. I thought he was dead in his room. So yeah. And now we are looking for food. So just walking here at the other side of Ha Long City. He is mostly more quiet than Bai Chai, and yeah, it's pretty good because we love quiet and we don't need to see a lot of people. We don't care. Right, George?
Yeah, we really don't care right now. First
So-
day on the bike.
Yeah, first day on the bike,
Good
everything
start.
went good, everything went well. It's a good start, and now we are hungry,
Yes, always.
looking for food. So we'll see you guys later. There is a unique sound. You know you are almost in the jungle. You hear that? All the insects, all the beasts. Damn. That's the sounds of the beast. So finally, we find some hot pot place to sit down, try some hot pot here. Let's see if it's good like Saigon. I don't think so, but hey yo, George,
Yo,
how you roll it?
how you roll it?
Show me how you roll it.
Very tight. Oh, kapot. Breaking down. I can do this. Yeah.
Yeah?
Here we go.
How was? Let me know how is the first bite. It's hot.
Really nice. Een beetje lach hem uit. Of ze net man vullen.
So we also ordered a hot pot. It looking good, actually.
Thank you.
It's a beef hot pot. Looking nice, right? Nog één?
Nee. Two is enough.
Yummy.
Tomorrow for sure.
So welcome at day 3. We are at the Ha Long Bay International, no, not airport, harbor. And right now we take a tour on the Ha Long Bay with a boat. It's kind of luxury boat, and we go with a group. So I will show you guys the group. We will follow the crowds. It's much less crowded here. Ja, we moeten volgens mij helemaal daarheen. So we have to take the electric car to go to the docks where the boat lays, and we don't have enough room for people. Yoo-hoo! Finally, we are sitting, waiting to depart. Hey, je bent ook een toerist, kut.
Dat ben ik ook echt wel. Ja, maar zo voel je ook echt niet.
Hè?
Het zal nooit meegaan.
Ja.
Doe even normaal. Dat zegt ze niet.
Nee, ik zweer het. Ze zei, oh, moet ik met deze knappe man zitten?
Kom je
Hallo.
die jongelui gaan gewoon lopen.
Waarschijnlijk werken ze hier.
Ja.
Het ziet altijd eruit als we hier werken. En dit zijn gewoon die normale boten.
Ja.
Kijk, daar is hij, denk ik. Een van de twee.
Ja, lijkt me wel. Grappig, we komen dus net daar vandaan, hè?
Hè?
Daar komen we net vandaan.
Ja, bij de andere kant, ja.
Ja.
Dus wat we gisteren zagen, dat was die Chiki. Damn.
Với tôi cô thủy chung nhưng sao con tim nóng cay nỗi ê chề bao lâu nay tôi vẫn tin vẫn thương vẫn yêu chờ người sẽ đổi thay.
Beautiful day.
Ja, jammer. Vind ik wel jammer, hè?
Ja, joh. Ga niet voor die jongens.
Ik wel, man. Jij nog niet. Je hebt je grens al bereikt.
Hallo.
Niet dan?
Natuurlijk niet. Never.
So that's our yours for today. There's the sea octopus.
En wij hebben... Ja, zijn vergelijkbare boten.
Ja.
Maar die andere was die bij is, ik dat die wel vol was.
En beste dan, nee, die andere is iets met La Cruza of weet ik veel.
Maakt het niet uit, dat is niet erg om op de boot te zitten. Iedereen loopt gewoon door hier, dan moet je nog links. Nou, dat gaat gewoon.
Hij checkt de band. This is before we going down. They plays always this kind of music. Hello. Thank you. So this is how the boat looks like on the below deck, and we will take a walk to see how the boat looks like.
Life jackets.
Life jacket you never used. This is the other deck that we're going to use for today. So for a few moments, I think in about 15 minutes, we will depart from this port and we will move to that way, and that is the Halong Bay. Or no, I'm wrong. This is the direction we will go to, I guess.
Yeah, of course.
Diesel.
De motor moet even gesmeerd worden. Komt ook natuurlijk niet iedereen even, ik bedoel, je moet wel weten wie je bent.
Check deze dan.
Ja, dat is een kleintje.
Hier kun je slapen, zie je dat?
Ja, en dit is een kleintje wat je hebt bedoeld.
Ja.
Ja, zo gemaakt. Ja, dat huur je en dan moet je met een groepje huren wel. Met familie ook.
Zo, voor nu gaan we er, ja, de baai in. En dan om ons heen zie je al de bergen wat dichterbij komen. En daar zie je dat een van de, ja, ze noemen dat vissersdorp. Daar worden kreeften, visjes en zo gekweekt. En als toerist kun je daar ja, vis en zo bestellen. Er worden dingen voor je klaargemaakt en dan kun je gewoon ter plekke eten. So I don't know if we're going to that small pass. I don't think so. I think he will turn, but I don't know.
Nếu quý khách có vấn đề về sức khỏe xương khớp nên cân nhắc trước khi tham gia hoạt động leo hang. Nếu quý khách muốn tham gia chuyến đi, xin vui lòng di chuyển đến khu vực sảnh biệt tân tầng 1. Xuồng cao tốc của chúng tôi sẽ rời đi trong vòng 5 phút nữa.
So we are transferring to the smaller boat to get to the cave. This one will stay here. It's too big to get at. Oh, zijn er. So later on we will climb up there. So we are at the bottom of the cave. There is the stairs. I think we need to climb up. Well, I will flip the camera around. So that is the stair. We will climb up there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can see people climbing there. We're going up. 120. 120 stairs to climb up. It's okay. It's not that much. I'm sweating already. God damn it. It's
Echo in the tunnel?
nah, I don't think so. But it will be cool, like in Phong Nha Kẻ Bàng, Quảng Bình. You
Yeah,
know?
it was really
yeah,
cool.
it's what's really cool. I guess it will be cool here. So we have a little bit of traffic jams here. And we'll have to wait for the group. And this is how it looks like the way down. So that's one of the viewpoint, and there is another viewpoint also. Want to take a picture? Or fuck that shit? Huh? I'm thinking if you can see it on the camera, but from here you can see it all the line way down. We have to wait for all those people who is taking pictures and watching things. And it's actually a little bit overcrowded, you know. And that's one of the reasons I don't like to go with a group, because in one time there goes a lot of people in and you have to wait for them to done with some photo shoots and all those things. And here in Asia it's very normal that people block your way to do some photo shoots. They don't care, they don't mind. So as you can see, the path getting smaller and smaller, and a lot of people have to wait because you need to go one by one. It's very slippery. You have to watch out where you walk. Oh. To be honest, kind of scary because it's slippery. Let go. From now on, it's getting more and more cooler because less people in here. It's yo, I put my camera away. Yeah. Okay, this much better. Not many people. Look at this. Oh, from this viewpoint, it's really nice. Besides a tourist, it's also a helping hand. Helping the elder, walking in the cave. That's how we called voorbeeldige schoonzoon. Yeah, a little bit the same like the cave at Quảng Bình last time, but this one is much smaller because this is a small island, and in Quảng Bình is in the jungle, so that's the difference. Yes. So this is the way out. There is just only one-way traffic, so you can't get lost here. It's impossible. It's small and it's just one direction.
Dus niks met communisme te maken. Het is gewoon puur commercie.
Ja.
Kapitalisme. Sweating is a way for your body to cool down.
Ja.
Dus als je niet zweet, heb je echt een probleem. een lange arm heeft.
We had some dinner on a boat, and it's a buffet. So everybody was hungry, and they are almost like fighting for the food. And too bad I didn't catch this on camera, but it's actually funny to see, but sad at the same time. And our George had scored some dessert.
The last one in the house.
The last one in the house. Nah. Time to get off. Alleen onze boot is een paar honderd mensen al. I think the water is very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll take a dive. Nadeel is met name die zeiknat als je moet
Ja,
aantrekken.
dat is zand.
Zand. En dan
Daar?
wat zand. Als je nou een dag naar het strand gaat, of een halve dag.
That's the way up if you wanna hike, but we won't do it on this heat. Ah man. We decided not to swim because we don't have that much time. The boat's only stand here for 45 minutes, and if you need to change and take a shower again and change, so you will be in the water just like for 15 minutes. It's not worth it. And George and me decided just to standing here watching some sightseeing, enjoying the moment. And we want to buy some coconuts, but yeah, they are not cold, and warm coconuts, meh. Yeah, not worth it also. So we just wait to get that pickup again, and we'll go back to the boat. So we did find our spot. Nobody's here except one guy or two. Now we just laying here, rest, maybe take some pineapple juice, sitting, relaxing, enjoy the view. And so yeah, after a few hours, it's the end. Yeah, it's the end of our tour. That's it, denk ik. Lekker? After a short ride, we found this cafe and decided to stop and drink again, and we sit under the jackfruit tree. So a lot of jackfruit, and I guess this is one of the location that the youth of Halong is coming every day, because
It's a local spot for us.
yeah, I only see youth from 15, 16, 18 years old here, but it's lovely. After 2 days in Halong Bay, I have a mixed feeling about this place. I've got the feeling that our tour that we have booked was wrong on many levels. First of all, the ship. It is quite nice to have a trip with a luxury ship, 4 or 5 star rated, but the ship is too big to get closer to the bay. This is the reason why we only able to see a few islands of the bay, or we were sailing too far from the bay. Second, there were too many people on one ship. This will lead to chaos, especially at the lunch. Don't get me wrong, everybody, including me, were hungry, but the guests were like fighting for the food. I didn't eat that much because I just don't want to be like that. That is something I really dislike. Third, on paper, we will get a lot of activities like kayaking, swimming on one of the most beautiful beaches of Halong Bay, the T-Top Island. Afterward, we found out that we will be charged extra money for kayaking. The trip was not cheap for the Vietnamese standard. At least kayaking should be free. Besides that, I don't even want to talk about the beach. I'm actually happy that the days in Halong are over. I'm looking forward to my next destination, Cao Bang. But for now, have a good night everyone.